How to quickly switch to n.10 plus Windows in tmux? tmux by default comes with the following key binding to quickly switch between windows numbered 0 to 9. With a couple of dozen different project folders, a few SSH sessions and other goodies in my tmux, I seem to always spill over the 10 windows I can quickly access, and I would love to figure out a quick way to switch to windows numbered 10 or higher. Right now I have to manually type out something along these lines in the tmux prompt, which is quite time consuming. Has anyone figured out a solid shortcut that helps you quickly access Windows 10 and higher? I know WeChat solved this problem with the 2 shortcuts. Can anything along those lines be accomplished with tmux?
There are a few easy ways to do it. Use cp, to select the window index. Use cbw to get an interactive index to choose from, 09AZ. Add bindings to cycle through quickly in tmux.conference. Bind a ch select window t column bind a cl select window t column plus. The R in the last one lets you repeat the key without having to repeat CB. Typically the second one is the least number of keystrokes.
You can use switch client T and LT, key table name and GT, to configure a sequence of keys to directly access high number windows. For example, I use this configuration to jump to Windows 10 to 19 with Ctrl B+, 0 to 9. Detailed explanation. As explained in the tmux man page, switch client can be used to set the current key table to create key combinations. Switch client, mpers, C target client, T target session, T key table. T sets the client's key table, the next key from the client will be interpreted from key table. This may be used to configure multiple prefix keys, or to bind commands to sequences of keys. For example, to make typing ABC run the list keys command. So in my example I configured the key to switch to a custom table named above 9 and then configured keys 0 to 9 in that table to switch to Windows 10 to 19. This is equivalent to new screens, bind C and LT, class and GT, that's where I come from.
Sorry.